I want to use generative AI more in my business, but I just don't know enough about it. There's an easy solution to this. Use generative AI yourself. If you haven't already, go to chat.openai.com and sign up for ChatGPT. It's free, and then use it every day. It can help you work faster and smarter. Get your team to use it. It will help them work faster and smarter too. And when you're interacting with ChatGPT, don't just ask questions. Have a dialogue. Interact. That's how you can get the most out of it. And be very explicit about what kind of response you want. If you let ChatGPT guess what you want, it probably won't guess right. So be really explicit about what you're asking for, how you want the output formatted, how you want the style to be. And sign up for my weekly email. Every week, the Teaching Robots to Talk email goes out to thousands of subscribers who want to think a little bit differently about conversational AI and generative AI. And of course, check out our YouTube channel where you can find this and many other videos. And Ask Terry. That's my generative AI clone on the Waterfield website.